Hey guys, this is Central Sapphire and we're back again with another video today with you guys. Of course, we're doing another hair tutorial because your girl loves coming in with the looks, okay? I love serving me some looks, girl. But this video, before I get into this video, I wanted to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a hairstylist or anything like that. Anything that I do, majority of everything I did or do, I'm pretty much teaching myself. So I'm putting that as a big disclaimer out there because I didn't want to come off as if like I'm a hairstylist or anything like that. No, baby, we okay. But I also wanted to say that I had to blow out my hair and straighten it in order for me to do this style, so that way my hair can be as sleek like how I want it to be. And it didn't get as sleek like how I want it to be, but it still got sleek enough, you know? Well, my hair is natural and I've been years without a perm, girl, so I'm still like skeptical if I still want to perm my edges or not, because sometimes like I be wanting my edges to be real slick like how they was like when my hair was permed, but then like I really like my curls, so that's kind of like so contradicting. I know, but nothing more, nothing less, girl. We're gonna go ahead and get into this video, so let's get into this video. Okay, girlies, so how I've been protecting my hair from heat damage or anything like that, because I have been putting heat on my hair in the past couple of months, even though I haven't been like, I don't really like putting heat in my hair because I haven't been putting heat or any type of, what's it called, perm in my hair for like years. So, yeah, this is basically my hair after 2 years of me after a big chop. We're gonna do a whole hair journey video on that too as well, but what I mainly wanted to say is I only did one pass on my hair. I washed my hair, I blow dried it out, and when I blow dried it, I blowed it out with the comb, like the blow dry with the comb. So that's what I did on that. And then on the straightening part, I just put some heat protectant on my hair and then I just straighten it out. Then like I only do one pass. I only do one pass because my hair gets really straight, so that's the only reason why I don't put too much heat on my hair. So yeah. So one thing that I did notice while using the Got to Be Glued, the edge booster. So when I use the edge booster, the hairstyles that I use with the hair booster be lasting about like, I would say like 2 to 4 days. 4 days is like pushing it. But then like when I noticed that when I use Got to Be Glued spray only, just the spray, it actually lasts the whole week and my hair don't move. So I think I would recommend to use the Got To Be glute spray instead. Only if you're trying to like stretch your hairstyle. I do not recommend, keeping a hairstyle in for too long, because it can like cause breakage to your hair in a sense, because you like constantly manipulating your hair. So if you constantly doing something to your hair, I feel like it's gonna constantly like break off. But that's what I experienced for my hair, because I noticed that I used to always change my hairstyles and this and that. My hair was never growing like how I wanted to grow. So once I just stopped like putting my hands in my head or whatever and just let my hair grow like with some braids or whatever, or a wig, and my hair just been growing like, baby, growing and flowing. So yeah, those are the tips that I would recommend for this type of hairstyle, or if you just trying to do a ponytail in general, using those type of tips. So y'all, I ended up trying to freaking get the hair wavy, but I forgot to spray the got to be glued on the hair so that way it can be more wavier. But it kind of gave like this loose wave type of look, like type of ponytail. So I guess like that's was the look, like that's what it was giving. I got tired of trying to make it crimp because it wasn't crimping like how I wanted to crimp, because honestly I didn't use the got to be glued spray like how I thought about that after, like really like after, honestly. But it still came out cute. The ponytail or whatever, the look still came out cute to me. So yeah, I really tried, guys. I really tried. But I also wanted to say thank you guys for taking your time out for watching this video. And if you don't already know, stay blessed, and carry on to having a beautiful day. And see you until next time.